Have you ever wondered how some people seem to attract money effortlessly, without the hustle, the stress, or the constant grind? It might sound too good to be true, but I'm here to tell you that it's not only possible, but it's also something you can achieve for yourself. Imagine waking up every day with the confidence that money will flow to you, without having to push yourself to the limit or burn out in the process. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, I'm living proof that this kind of life is not only possible, but it can be your reality too. I used to believe that money was something I had to chase, work myself into exhaustion for, or even just scrape by with. But after a shift in mindset and a deep dive into reprogramming my brain, I realized that money doesn't come from outside sources. It flows through me. In this video, I'm going to take you step by step through the exact methods I use to attract abundance into my life with ease. So if you're ready to stop hustling and start aligning with your financial flow, stay with me. Let's unlock this powerful shift together. Manifestation is often misunderstood as a process of doing more, working harder, taking more actions, or hustling endlessly. However, true manifestation isn't about external actions, but about an inner process of becoming. It's not about striving to achieve something, it's about aligning with the energy of what you desire. The key to manifesting your desires lies not in what you need to do, but in who you need to become. This shift in mindset is essential because your external world is a reflection of your inner state. If you want to attract abundance, love, or success, you must first embody the qualities and feelings associated with those desires. When you focus on becoming the person who already has what you desire, whether that's cultivating the mindset of abundance, stepping into confidence, or feeling worthy of your dreams, you shift your energy. This inner transformation attracts the circumstances, people, and opportunities that match your new vibration. Manifestation is less about action and more about alignment. When your thoughts, emotions, and energy align with your goals, the external world begins to reflect that inner change. It's about trusting the process and allowing the universe to bring what's meant for you without forcing or struggling. Manifestation is about becoming the version of yourself who already has what you desire. Focus on your growth, on embodying the qualities you seek, and everything else will fall into place naturally. Aligning with your desired reality is the key to manifesting your dreams and creating the life you truly want. It's not just about setting goals or taking action. It's about ensuring that your inner world is in harmony with the outer world you wish to create. To align with your desired reality, you must begin by shifting your thoughts, beliefs, and actions to match the vibration of what you want. Your thoughts are powerful, they create your reality, and they can either limit you or propel you toward your goals. If your thoughts are consistently focused on lack, doubt, or fear, you'll attract more of those feelings into your life. But when you shift your thoughts to those of abundance, possibility, and gratitude, you start aligning with the frequency of what you truly desire. Beliefs also play a massive role in alignment. Deep-rooted beliefs shape how we see ourselves and the world. If you believe that success is out of reach or that you're not worthy of abundance, these beliefs will block your progress. Reprogramming limiting beliefs and replacing them with empowering ones is essential for manifesting your desires. Your actions must reflect your inner beliefs. If you believe in abundance but continue to act out of fear or scarcity, your actions will contradict your beliefs and disrupt alignment. When your thoughts, beliefs, and actions are in sync, you create a seamless flow of energy that attracts everything you desire. True abundance can only flow when your inner world is aligned with the reality you want to create. The concept of vibration plays a crucial role in manifestation, as everything in the universe, including money, opportunities, and relationships, vibrates at a specific frequency. Just like each object, person, or situation has its own energetic frequency, your thoughts and emotions also emit their own unique vibrations. This energy attracts similar frequencies from the universe. When you align your vibration with abundance, you create an energetic match to attract more of it into your life. If you constantly focus on scarcity, lack, or fear, Your vibration aligns with those negative energies, and you attract more of the same. Conversely, when you focus on feelings of gratitude, joy, and abundance, you raise your vibration to match the frequency of prosperity. Manifestation becomes effortless when you align your vibration with the things you desire. You don't need to force or chase opportunities because your energetic frequency naturally draws them to you. This is why positive thinking, self-belief, and emotional well-being are so important. They help you maintain a high vibration that is in harmony with abundance. One of the most powerful ways to raise your vibration is by feeling good, embracing positive emotions, and surrounding yourself with uplifting energy. Activities such as meditation, visualization, and gratitude practices are excellent tools for tuning into a higher frequency. As you raise your vibration, you create a space for abundance to flow to you easily and without resistance, making manifestation a natural and effortless process. The power of your subconscious beliefs is often underestimated, yet it plays a critical role in shaping your reality. The subconscious mind operates in the background, constantly influencing your thoughts, actions, and decisions. It stores the beliefs and patterns you've formed over your lifetime, many of which are developed from childhood experiences or societal conditioning. These beliefs act as filters, determining how you perceive the world and how you react to various situations. Your subconscious mind has the power to either propel you toward success or limit your progress. If you carry beliefs such as, money is hard to come by, I'm not worthy of success, or I'm not good enough, your subconscious will guide your actions in alignment with these limiting beliefs. It will create thought patterns that reinforce these ideas and keep you trapped in cycles of scarcity and struggle. However, reprogramming these limiting beliefs is essential for unlocking your full potential and allowing abundance to flow into your life. When you consciously challenge and replace these outdated beliefs with empowering ones, such as money flows easily to me, I am deserving of success, or I am worthy of abundance, you shift your internal programming. This creates new neural pathways in the brain that support and reinforce these positive beliefs. As you rewire your subconscious mind, you align your actions and thoughts with your true desires, opening the door for greater success, abundance, and fulfillment. By reprogramming your subconscious, you unlock your potential to manifest your dreams effortlessly. The reticular activating system, RAS, is a powerful part of the brain that plays a pivotal role in shaping your perception of reality. This system acts as a filter, sorting through the vast amount of information your brain receives and focusing only on what aligns with your core beliefs. Essentially, the RAS helps you notice and prioritize the information that is most relevant to you, based on what you already believe to be true. For example, if you hold the belief that opportunities are scarce or that success is difficult to achieve, your RAS will filter out anything that contradicts this belief. You will unknowingly focus on situations or experiences that confirm your fears or doubts, reinforcing the cycle of limitation. On the other hand, if you believe that abundance, success, and love are readily available to you, your RAS will filter in information that supports this belief. You will begin to notice opportunities, resources, and positive situations that align with your abundant mindset. This feedback loop is a powerful force. Your beliefs shape your perceptions, and your perceptions reinforce your beliefs. The key to unlocking your potential and manifesting your desires lies in consciously reshaping your beliefs. By adopting empowering beliefs and focusing on positive outcomes, you train your RAS to filter in the information that supports your success. With time, this alignment will bring more opportunities, wealth, and fulfillment into your life as your brain starts to find ways to prove your new beliefs true. Shifting from a hustle mentality to a mindset of ease is a transformative step toward manifesting true success. In a world that often glorifies hustle, working hard, and constantly pushing yourself, it can be easy to fall into the trap of believing that success requires stress and struggle. However, the reality is that true abundance and success come from working with flow, not against it. When you release the need to hustle, you open the door to working from a place of alignment and ease. Instead of forcing outcomes or overworking yourself, you begin to focus on how to feel good in the process. This shift allows you to tap into your natural creativity, intuition, and energy, rather than depleting yourself through constant effort. Work doesn't have to feel like a struggle. When you align with your true purpose and passions, tasks flow with ease and joy. You're no longer working from a place of fear, competition, or desperation. Instead, you are creating from a space of inspiration and purpose. This approach leads to more fulfilling work, a healthier mindset, and ultimately, greater success. By embracing ease, you begin to trust that things will unfold in their own time and in the best way possible. You stop chasing after results and start attracting them naturally. The key is to remain in alignment with your true self, to work smarter, not harder, and to enjoy the process rather than focusing solely on the outcome. Recognizing and releasing scarcity mindsets is a powerful step in transforming your life and unlocking your potential. Scarcity thinking is the belief that there is never enough, whether it's money, time, love, or opportunity. These thoughts trap you in a cycle of lack and limitation, constantly reinforcing the idea that you're not enough or that there isn't enough to go around. As long as you remain in this mindset, you'll continue to attract more of the same, more stress, more worry, and more struggle. The first step in shifting away from scarcity is awareness. Pay attention to the thoughts that arise, especially when you face challenges or uncertainties. Notice when you start thinking thoughts like, there's not enough money, I'll never be successful, or I don't have what it takes. These are signs of scarcity-based thinking. The key is to acknowledge them without judgment and understand that they are just thoughts. They don't define your reality. Once you recognize scarcity thinking, you can begin to consciously shift it. Replace limiting beliefs with ones of abundance and possibility. Instead of thinking, there's not enough, reframe it to, there is more than enough, and I am worthy of receiving it. By doing this, you begin to retrain your brain to focus on the opportunities and abundance around you, rather than what is missing. Releasing scarcity mindsets allows you to create space for abundance and opportunity to flow into your life. The more you practice this shift, the more natural it becomes, and soon, your reality will reflect the abundant mindset you've cultivated. The subconscious mind plays a crucial role in determining your wealth potential. It holds the beliefs, patterns, and experiences you've accumulated throughout your life, many of which are related to money and abundance. These beliefs, whether positive or limiting, shape your financial reality. If your subconscious holds beliefs such as money is hard to get, I'm not worthy of wealth, or there's never enough to go around, it creates internal blocks that prevent the flow of financial abundance. Your subconscious mind operates at a deeper level, influencing your actions, decisions, and the opportunities you notice or miss in life. If you've been conditioned to believe that money is scarce or difficult to attain, you may unknowingly sabotage your financial success. For example, you may procrastinate on important tasks, turn down opportunities, or struggle to save or invest money. Reprogramming your subconscious mind for wealth is the key to unlocking an effortless path to financial abundance. By replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones, such as money comes easily and frequently, I am worthy of wealth, and I attract abundance effortlessly, you begin to align your subconscious mind with the reality you want to create. This shift in your subconscious programming opens up new possibilities. Your thoughts, actions, and decisions will align with wealth creation, attracting opportunities, resources, and the financial success you desire. Subconscious reprogramming allows you to break free from financial limitations and step into a life of abundance, where prosperity flows naturally and effortlessly. Cultivating daily practices for wealth alignment is a powerful way to shift your mindset and energy towards prosperity. By incorporating rituals such as affirmations, breathwork, and journaling into your daily routine, you prime yourself to attract abundance into your life. These practices help you stay focused on your goals, raise your vibration, and maintain a mindset of abundance, which is essential for manifesting financial success. Affirmations are a great starting point. By repeating positive statements like, "Money flows to me effortlessly," "I am worthy of financial abundance," or "I attract prosperity with ease," you reprogram your subconscious mind to believe that wealth is a natural part of your reality. The more you affirm these beliefs, the more they become ingrained in your mindset, helping to align your thoughts with the energy of abundance. Breathwork is another powerful tool for wealth alignment. Taking deep, intentional breaths helps to regulate your nervous system, reduce stress, and bring you back to the present moment. By incorporating breathwork into your routine, you create a calm, clear mind that is open to receiving abundance. It also helps raise your energetic frequency, making it easier to align with prosperity. Journaling can be a transformative practice for wealth alignment. Writing about your financial goals, reflecting on the abundance you already have, and expressing gratitude for the wealth that is on its way can reinforce a mindset of plenty. Journaling helps you stay focused on your desired outcome and strengthens your connection to the energy of prosperity. By consistently practicing these rituals, you create a powerful daily foundation for manifesting wealth and aligning with abundance. The importance of surrender and trust in the manifestation process cannot be overstated. While it's easy to focus on the actions you need to take to achieve your goals, true manifestation requires an element of trust. Trust that things are unfolding in your favor, even when they aren't visible yet. It's about releasing the need to control every outcome and allowing the universe or the natural flow of life to guide you toward your desires. When you try to force or control every aspect of the manifestation process, you create resistance. This resistance prevents the flow of energy and can block the very things you're trying to attract. Manifestation thrives on ease, not effort. By letting go of control and surrendering to the process, you open yourself to receiving what's meant for you in a way that is aligned with your highest good. Trusting the process means believing that everything is happening for you, even when it's not immediately obvious. It requires faith that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desires into reality, even if you can't see the results yet. When you surrender, you create space for the natural flow of abundance to come into your life. You stop worrying about the how and allow opportunities, solutions, and resources to show up effortlessly. Surrendering and trusting the process frees you from stress, doubt, and anxiety. It creates a sense of peace and alignment that attracts wealth and abundance with ease. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gave you some valuable insights into how you can start attracting money without the hustle, stress, or burnout. Remember, it's all about aligning with the frequency of abundance, reprogramming your mind, and trusting that money can flow to you easily. You've got the power to make this shift, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Share one thing you're going to do today to start aligning with the abundance you deserve. Let's keep this conversation going and feel free to ask any questions or share your own experiences. I love connecting with you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more tips to help you live your most abundant life. Stay tuned for more. And remember, you are worthy of all the abundance that's coming your way.